In this presentation, we'll show using Document Locator to create, approve, control, and manage procedures. The intended audience will be for prospects or customers that have at least a basic understanding of document management and Document Locator. Format used will be a series of 4 recordings, starting with template management, creating the new procedure, getting the new procedure approved, and then finding, auditing, and reporting on documents. Let's get started with template management. In Document Locator, new procedures are created from the latest version of a template document. Here in this Forms and Templates folder, designated users are assigned security rights and responsibility for creating, editing, assigning, and controlling versions of template documents. In this example, with a mouse hover over, you can see that profile properties are displayed. The profile properties are systems and user-defined metadata that's attributed to a document for searching, organizing, and processing documents. The mouse over also displays document notes, workflow information, linked documents, and records policy information about the document. Across the column headings, metadata can also be displayed for sorting and organizing, and this can be user configurable. This particular documents we're also tracking a unique form ID and revision level properties. So these documents have also been assigned, besides the unique form ID, the revision level with the version and also the status. So users can quickly see the revision level of each template in the column heading. On the far left are the icons that identify the document's condition. The blue icon is an approved document. We have a checked out document, and the yellow icon denotes a document that's in a workflow. On any of these documents are commands, and a right click on a particular document will bring any of the commands that are available. So right clicking on this document displays such commands as being able to send and collaborate, being able to check out a document for editing, getting a document approved, and also looking at the history or the document log about a document. Moreover, under properties on the document, you'll see that we can have a granular security even down to the document level. In this example, the admin has full control to approve documents, work with versions, work with final approved versions, whereas an engineer would have some lesser rights on that particular document. At any time, you can also turn on the preview pane to look at a document. So if we just come up here, click on the preview pane, you'll get a quick preview of any document type in the preview pane. Importing documents is very easy. For instance, you want to import your existing templates and forms in. That can be as easy as a drag and drop with one or many, and they'll come into Document Locator and automatically be identified as a template. When a template is ready for use, it can be assigned to a folder and made available to that folder's users. For instance, here in the Master's Procedures folder, the Master Procedure template as a document has been assigned from the Forms and Templates folder to this folder to create a new procedure. If we right click and go to Properties, click on the Templates tab, you'll see that we've assigned as the default a Procedure Master template that's being actually controlled in the Templates folder. So now anytime you want to create your new procedure, it's a simple right click, New Document. This will call up the default template to create the new procedure. In the next recording, we'll demonstrate creating a new procedure and enter it into an approval workflow.